There's something I spoke about, the matters pertaining to the weather. And one challenge we have is that people believe when they see. But as I said on the previous word concerning the weather, it's the highest time we take caution because it's not yet over, and we need the grace of God also to also be learning to prepare ahead of time. So I was praying about also our nation concerning the weather. And this is what the Lord is saying. Where did I write it? This is what the Lord is saying, that the heavy rains that are coming, there should be caution. Caution for those who are down the stream or in depressed places. Let there be people to inform them that the rains are coming, because I saw some land tear apart, and it was not easy for some people. I also saw some cities stand still, and some people could not access the other side of the city. But now what was quite also interesting is that I heard a voice telling me the rains will be preceding hunger. The rains will be preceding hunger. So I request those who are able to understand the power of the mind of Joseph to realize it right now. I request the leaders as well to understand rains are coming. They'll be very dangerous. And also thereafter, there'll be drought. So let there be wisdom, because there are lives God has given unto us, so that we can prepare against having people get into serious lack of food and also premature death because of floods, landslides, and mudslides, and weird accidents. I also was told to tell them that are in authority to organize on how the drainage systems can be cleared for the benefit of the flow of waters. We don't just wait for the waters. We need to make way for them, because a lot has happened and it needs to be done well for the glory of God. We want to say.
It started as just the ordinary Friday afternoon or early evening showers, taking the edge off the dusty city and her environs. But soon it morphed into one of the most intense storms the city has witnessed in recent times, turning an ordinary commute home for thousands of city dwellers into a nightmare. From choked roads to flooded streets, Nairobi turned into one big river, trapping its residents and their property. In one of the CBD's parking lots, motorists came back to submerged vehicles.
To also be learning to prepare ahead of time, and I believe that it will be good and necessary. So I also urge our people that are in authorities and in where God has placed you or has allowed you to be, know that it's good to understand life is sacred and precious. So I believe God has a future for us and for our nation. There is something else I want to bring to our understanding, which is very good.